Yeah, for any partner or master agent or distributor that's out there that's looking to license CableFinder as a tool to enable their back office and downline, they should expect a great onboarding experience with our staff. We've assembled a team of people that are going to be here to help you through that process, to train your internal staff, to train your downline of partners, to help build customization inside of that tool to make sure that what you need in the experience is what you're actually delivering to that downline of partners. But we're very confident that for those that want to use the tool, we will give them the experience that they're looking for.
That's one of the coolest parts about working with CableFinder from a software company's perspective, is that we'll work with you on branding CableFinder the way that it needs to be branded to fit into your own ecosystem. So not recreating anything that you've already created on your own.
It's been different for each master agency that we've brought on. We get with their operations team, learn their processes, and then we go back into the tool and make sure that we align how CableFinder works with how their back office operations work. When we talk about the carriers in the tool, they all have a specific way of doing business, whereas each master agent does it differently. To make it work in that environment, we've tried to make CableFinder as configurable as it can be, from the sense of where do emails go? When this event happens in the tool, it goes to the right department.
We do a lot of trainings, making sure that user adoption is being driven up. We also do a lot of one-on-one time with the sales and marketing team, making sure that there's a lot of resources provided to you up front.